Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the phone the internet source. Enable mobile data and check you have usable signal. Once done, turn on the hotspot or plug the phone via USB and enable tethering. Set a strong WPA2 password so others cannot join. On the computer, make sure the Wi-Fi adapter or USB tether device is enabled and drivers are current, because an outdated driver will block connection. I'll show why each action matters and how to move to the connection step smoothly. You now connect. On the computer, pick the phone SSID from the Wi-Fi list, or if using USB, wait for the new network interface to appear. Enter the hotspot password exactly or accept the tethering prompt. Allow the connection when the system asks. Once connected, make sure to select the correct network profile. Choose private if you need local device access, or public to stay protected. Also check IP and DNS are assigned automatically so internet routes correctly. Change them only. You finish by verifying everything works. Open a browser and run a quick speed test. Watch your mobile data counter so you don't hit limits. If pages fail to load, first toggle airplane mode or restart both devices, because many issues clear with a reboot. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone or update PC network drivers, and remember to confirm your carrier permits tethering. These steps usually resolve the last mile. Do this troubleshooting tip before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.